The brief is to turn an undesirable bungalow into a functioning family home with a first floor. This opening view is the front. The main roof changes from 30 to 45 degrees, and the entrance wall comes 3 metres forward to create a stronger porch and arrival point. The white silicon render replaces tired front gable brickwork with pot marks and repointing issues. Around the entrance and garage, the wall comes forward in new brickwork, matched to the original brick but cleaner against the render. At the rear, the old flat roof addition is replaced. The 15-degree mono-pitch roof runs from left-hand side across to the right, where it meets the new 30-degree overhanging gable above the anthracite bifold doors. This is the main garden-facing change. From above, the raised eaves, roof lights and front dormer show the roof massing. Your feedback will help develop the next design revision before we move towards the householder planning application.